southeast of The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Charles County, southeastern Lincoln County, southeastern Warren County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Trelor, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include O'Fallon, St. Peters, Woodsville, Lake St. Louis, Garden Prairie, Warrenton, Weldon Spring, Wright City, Cotlerville, St. Paul, Moscow Mills, Winfield, Marthasville, Truesdale, Innsbrook, New Melly, Josephville, Fountain and Lakes, Chain of Rocks, and Weldon Spring Heights. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 199 and 220. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for southwestern Illinois and east central Missouri.